Hi everyone! Today we're making crispy chicken skin that's crunchy, savory, and absolutely addictive. Ingredients. Main ingredients. 1. 500 grams of chicken skin, cleaned and trimmed of excess fat. 2. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 3. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. For marinade, 1. 2 cloves of garlic, crushed. 2. 1 teaspoon salt. 3. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. For coating, 150 grams all-purpose flour. Steps. 1. Marinate the chicken skin. Mix the chicken skin with crushed garlic, salt, black pepper, chili powder, and soy sauce. Stir until the seasoning is evenly distributed. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to absorb the flavors. 2. Prepare the coating. In a large bowl, mix the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Stir until well combined. 3. Coat the chicken skin. Take the marinated chicken skin and drain off excess marinade. Place the skin in the flour mixture and coat evenly. For a thicker crust, repeat this step by dipping it back into the flour mixture. 4. Heat the oil. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan until it's very hot. Use medium heat to ensure the chicken skin cooks evenly. 5. Fry the chicken skin. Carefully place the chicken skin into the hot oil. Fry until the skin turns golden brown and crispy. Avoid overcrowding the pan to maintain crispiness. Remove the chicken skin and drain on paper towels to absorb excess oil. 6. Serve. Your crispy chicken skin is ready to serve. Enjoy it with chili sauce, ketchup, or a sprinkle of salt for extra flavor. Closing. And there you have it. Crispy chicken skin that's crunchy, flavorful, and easy to make at home. This snack will definitely be a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your results. See you in the next recipe.